5 foods to avoid if you have arthritis. Are you suffering from arthritis pain? It may be time to reconsider your diet. First, avoid sugar. It triggers inflammation and worsens joint pain. Second, ditch the processed foods. They contain trans fats that increase inflammation. Third, reduce your intake of red meat. It's high in saturated fat, which exacerbates arthritis symptoms. Fourth, limit alcoholic drinks. They can cause gout attacks and joint inflammation. Lastly, avoid refined carbohydrates. They're high in calories and sugar, contributing to weight gain and increased joint pressure. Your diet can be your strongest ally or your worst enemy. Choose wisely. Like and subscribe for more videos. Remember to share this video on WhatsApp and other social media platforms.